Hi, in this series I'm sharing tasty ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals will have a high energy to ounce ratio and are fast and easy to make without having to carry extra cooking utensils. Today we will be making a risotto with wild mushrooms that delivers a staggering 125 calories per ounce. I've got 2.75 ounces of arborio rice, which is an Italian short grain rice that absorbs a lot of moisture and is very creamy, but has the great quality of remaining firm and chewy compared to other rices. This is put in a strong Ziploc bag together with half a cube of chicken stock and a handful of dried porcini mushrooms. Add 10 ounces of water and let it cold soak for about 2 hours. By doing this, we drastically reduce the cooking time needed and basically only have to activate the starch to give the risotto its famous texture. If you like a dry risotto, just add less water. Put 0.9 ounces of salted butter, which is great for traveling because it won't become rancid, in the pot and stir the rice mixture through while it melts. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes while stirring often. Now remove your pot from the fire. In this Ziploc bag I've got 1 ounce of Parmigiano, garlic powder, pepper and black truffle oil. The extra benefit of the oil is that it protects the cheese and better preserves the flavor. Add the bag to the risotto and there you go, your fast and easy risotto with wild mushrooms, Parmigiano and truffle oil is ready. Now, if you don't like the taste of truffle oil, you can find an alternative that adds flavor, like chili flakes or a shot of cognac when boiling the rice. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.